This is a great example, unfortunately, when we look at the deeds of our elected officials, when we think about policies and procedures relating to conversations about immigrants and immigration. A new poll by National Public Radio shows the ways in which certain news outlets, how the words they choose to talk about immigrants and immigration has a tremendous impact on how people feel about immigrants and immigration in the context of the United States, regardless of legal status. And this NPR survey looked at the words that were used by various news outlets and how it contributed to the negative aspects, whether true or not, pertaining to immigrants and immigration. We look at the same thing insofar as the political division in America. We look at the same thing regarding racial division in America. And it comes back to the same thing. How are we having these conversations? What words are we using to describe some of the issues at hand? And more importantly, when we think about instances such as just the other day, Donald Trump's appearance in Helsinki talking about Russia. Every news channel you turn on, soon thereafter, talked about one thing: language. Language throughout his entire press conference, as well as a question and answer session thereafter. And it was fascinating because, and we'll hear about this tomorrow when I speak more about this, the study of language has been disregarded as something that's outdated. Instead, you should study engineering instead. But now we see over and over again, it's the language that matters. How we talk to and how we talk about others, that really can make a world of a difference, no pun intended, insofar as a global reach in our quest toward a more humanized approach to coexistence and peace. But I'll end it on that too. Thank you.
Dr. Jagdish Batra.
Okay, thank you, sir. Both the luminaries have spoken of language as of being utmost importance in building bridges among different races in the world. I'll revert to literature. To my mind, literature has always sided with values which uphold humanity, values which forge links among different communities, castes, classes. Good literature at that never upholds just injustice or cruelty or oppression, be it anywhere in the world. You can take up literature from ancient times, right to our times also, when things are in disarray.